Welcome to TechEdAI, the channel where we explain AI and technology in simple words for students like you. Today's topic is Top 5 AI Tools Every Student Must Use in 2026. These tools will make your student life easier, smarter, and more productive. So let's get started. Tool number 1, ChatGPT. First tool is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI assistant made by a company called OpenAI. Now, you might be thinking, what exactly can ChatGPT do for me as a student? Here is the answer. You can ask ChatGPT to explain any difficult topic from your syllabus in the simplest way possible. You can use it to write assignments and essays faster. You can learn coding step by just asking ChatGPT to teach you. You can get answers to absolutely any question within seconds. It is like having a personal teacher available 24 hours a day, completely for free. Go to chatgpt.com and create your free account today. Tool number 2, Canva AI. Second tool is Canva AI. Canva is a free design tool that has very powerful AI features built inside it. As a student, you can use Canva to make beautiful presentations for your college assignments, create attractive YouTube thumbnails if you have a channel, design social media posts for LinkedIn and Instagram. And the best part? Canva has an AI image generator that creates stunning images from just a text description, completely for free. Go to canva.com and create your free account today. Tool number 3, Notion AI. Third tool is Notion AI. Notion is the smartest tool for students to stay organized and study better. Here is what you can do with Notion as a student. Take smart and organized notes for all your college subjects. Plan your complete study schedule and never miss a deadline again. Track all your assignments and mark them as done. And with Notion AI, you can summarize long documents and textbooks in just seconds. This saves you hours of reading time. Go to notion.so and download it for free today. Tool number 4, Perplexity AI. Fourth tool is Perplexity AI. Most students use Google for research, but Perplexity AI is 10 times better. Perplexity is like a search engine but completely powered by AI. Here is why students love it. You get direct AI answers instead of just links. Every answer comes with real sources and references, perfect for college projects. You can research any topic deeply and get accurate results. And it shows the latest information from the internet in real time. Go to perplexity.ai and start searching smarter today. Tool number 5, ElevenLabs. Fifth and final tool is ElevenLabs. ElevenLabs is the best AI voice generator in the world. Now you might wonder, why does a student need an AI voice generator? Here is why. If you want to make YouTube videos without showing your face or voice, ElevenLabs generates a realistic human-sounding voice from just your text. You can create voiceovers for college presentations. You can make audio content and podcasts easily. And the free plan gives you enough voice generation to get started today. Go to ElevenLabs.io and generate your first AI voice for free. So those were the top 5 AI tools for students in 2026. Let me quickly recap. Number 1, ChatGPT, your personal AI teacher available 24 hours a day. Number 2, Canva AI, make beautiful designs completely for free. Number 3, Notion AI, stay organized and study smarter. Number 4, Perplexity AI, search the internet with AI power. Number 5, ElevenLabs, generate realistic AI voice for your videos and projects. Start using these 5 tools today and watch how your student life becomes easier and smarter. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to TechEdAI so you never miss our next video. See you in the next one. TechEdAI, Keep learning.